Okay, guys, here is General Chemistry 1, Chapter 1, Problem 1. Here's the solution. The question is asking you to use the image below to report the measurement of the wooden block to the correct number of significant figures. All right, so this question is really about precision and measurement, and it's trying to get you to make sure that you understand how to read an analog instrument. And remember, the main point of reading an analog instrument is that you read it to one level of precision beyond the smallest graduation. And so if we take a look at what the smallest graduations are, we see that they're approximately 1 millimeter, or in other words, 0.1 centimeters. So if the smallest graduation is 0.1 centimeters, then that means that we need to read our measurement to the 1 unit of precision, 1 decimal place beyond that smallest graduation. So in other words, all of our readings should have 2 decimal places because of the precision of the instrument. Now, remember that digit is going to be uncertain, and it's going to be based on the eyes of the beholder. And so if I look at this rod, I see just a little bit beyond this first mark. This is what I see. So I would read the instrument as having a reading of, well, it's past the 10 mark. It's a little bit past the 0.1 mark. And I'd say it's a little bit further past that mark as well. So that's just a fine reading. It's got the correct level of precision, and I do have my units listed. Don't forget to include your units. Now, if you're another reader and you came to the conclusion that the wood block was actually right before that small graduation after the 10, the 0.1 centimeter place, then you might say it's actually 10.09 centimeters. That reading is just fine as well. Now, if you are someone who said it's right on the money, it's right on that mark, that's 10.1, but remember your reading has to have the correct precision, and the correct precision is 1 unit past the smallest graduation. So you would state your reading, you would report it as 10.10 centimeters. And at the end of the day, all 3 of these readings are just fine for this particular problem.